Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu kwasendodana lesugogo bathini bathi mavula kuvala emzini amadoda u-Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith. Oh, I'm here in Namibia and I've just received a WhatsApp call that is not comfortable. That it's kind of disturbed my me for a moment, because I don't allow things to spoil my entire day. Yes, it does happen, but not easily so. Guys, the question that maybe you might have with what I'm going to share with you is that, Gogo, what do I do after I got or that after I'm seeing, or when I'm seeing what I came to see you? Things are starting to happen. I was looking for a job, I got a job. I was looking for a certain tent, I got it. I was looking for whatever, I got it. I was looking to sign a lease agreement of this property that I want to develop. I got that lease agreement. Gogo, I needed to comply with a certain document. I have that document now. Then you're excited and everything. What then follows? Maybe that's a question that we should answer, and then so that you have an understanding of what needs to be done, right? The guy got a deal, very nice deal, to supply coal. I don't know from where, I do know, but I need to be very careful from this. From point A to point B, right? He is going to supply coal, right? As he got this deal, what he needs to do now is to get trucks. So he doesn't have trucks that he owns. He doesn't. But he got a deal to say, okay, listen, this is what we need to do. So we need you to collect coal from this place to that place. Sure. This guy, when he applied for this deal, when he requested this deal, he went to get a person that have trucks. So you don't have trucks. You go to a person that have trucks to say, listen, I want the trucks. You said you have trucks. I want the trucks because I'm looking to get this deal. The guy, listen to this. This is a very sad story, and it really disturbs me because I don't know how other people think. The guy takes the trucks. They went to the lawyer to sign the documents to say the trucks will be in the name of Ubatini Mbata, because Ubatini Mbata, he's got this deal and the trucks needs to belong to him. But these trucks are mine. So in the lawyers, they do that all the time. So the guy went to there, produced the document to say, here are the trucks, whatever amount of trucks, and I want this deal, blah, 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 blah. Sharp. Mr. Mbata will come at your truck stop, where the depot of your trucks, to check the trucks, the condition and everything. They did. Trucks were there. Everything was there. He mentioned issues like the mechanic, the van that will do the road assistance, as well as he mentioned the diesel, that the space has the diesel and everything. The lease agreement was changed from the original person to this person. So the owner of the trucks is so connected that he knows this game. He understands this game in and out. I don't know the owner of the trucks. I know this Batini Mbata. So, sharp. Kukrendi, everything's fine. The contractor or the person that's going to issue a contract, he's happy with everything. Then they gave the contract. 5 years contract, everything was signed, money is good. Obvious. Guys, obvious. The majority of the shares, the major shares will go to the owner of the trucks. It's a simple mathematics. I understand that mina ngobudomu bam as ugogo bathini Mbatha, the healer, as we think ukuthi healers are stupid. With my stupidity, I do understand that mathematics. Ukuthi the trucks do not belong to Bathini. They belong to the owner. So the owner there is gonna get the bigger stake. So Bathini in this deal, it's more of a middleman. Bathini must not go and calculate the millions, guys. Those millions, they don't belong to him. They belong to the owner of the... Bathini, it's a window dress. Bathini, he's an actor. Bathini is in Hollywood, guys. Bathini is acting, or Mzansi Wood, or Hollywood, whatever Wood. But Bathini is acting. He's an actor in this. And that must be clear, Uguti, who is an actor. It's Bathini. Bathini got the deal, signed the deal, and everything. Right? And Bathini thinks here, he's smart. Because he's the one who came with the contact. Yabo, izinto zihamba kahle manje na, and then now he's getting comfortable. Umuthi uyasebenza, uyayizwa lento le. Umuthi uyasebenza because the Muti made Bathini to be trusted by the owner of the trucks, to be trusted by the people that are issuing up the contract. Then everything is fine. But Bathini has zero, like zero. Has big zeros, like just like his eyes. Big zeros. Sharp. Then time goes, Bathini now sit down and do the calculations. The stupid Bathini. The stupid Bathini. You'll forgive me, Mkaya, with this video if you'll find it very offending to you. But I will call you Bathini Mbatha and the stupid Bathini Mbatha because I've done everything. I did my level best. I did my level best. I remember when I went to India, 2024. You paid for one of the trips when I went to India. You paid for it. You paid for trip, you paid for accommodation for me to go to India. For what? To bring you nothing but the best. And what happened? Because you were patient from then, 2024, up to 2026, now you got your things. Now things are moving. You were patient. This is clear to me, Koko Bathini Mbatha. Uguti, you were patient because of you were broke. However, you are not a patient individual. You were just patient because you were broke. Now the deal, boom, and motivated that you needed money for diesel, for this, you needed this and this, and the money that you got, it's so little compared to the damage you have done now to the owner of the trucks. So what the clever Bathini did, then the deal is there. Now the clever Bathini takes the contract. Listen to this. Listen to this stupid move. Koko Bathini Mbatha takes the contracts and go to the banks. And when he gets to the banks, he even forgot who he's blacklisted. He wants to go to the bank and look for loan to buy trucks because he has calculated the repayment of trucks if you have to buy one compared to paying this guy these millions, and he wants to pocket a lot of money. I think on that deal, Ugogo was going to pocket at least around easy 100 to close to 200,000, plus 100 close to 200,000, for him to manage a project, for him to make sure that things are moving and everything. He doesn't have to buy diesel. He doesn't have to buy rent for the truck stops. He doesn't have to visit. He doesn't have to do anything except managing, monitoring, making sure drivers are on point, drivers are resting, drivers doing that, the trucks are in good conditions, what. That's all. That's all. That's all. After he got the contract, he was supposed to go to the owner of the trucks because he has experience, and to go to the bank and give him all the powers of the trucks, all the powers of the bank, the signature powers, to be in control of the account. And then he's going to be in the payroll everybody's going to be happy. How easy is that money? How easy is that money? Yes, you have spent so much for me to go to abroad to get you the best, right? We are Hamia Bank. He forgot he's blacklisted, and his brain now is black as then because of his blacklisted, and then he comes back rejected. Then he goes to these people who are claiming to say, if you have a contract, come to us and then we'll give you the trucks, right? He goes to these people. These people verbally, they tell him something different. On paper, it's something different. Again, as you know, Ugogo Bathini Mbatha never been to school. What he does, he signs. He taken. Then he goes back to the owner of the trucks to say, hey, Manjena, this guy is, he lying on it. He can't even look at him in the eyes. Hey, this guy is this and this. Hey, this guy is kwasha kwacisha umlilo. Hey, this guy, this, hey. So they have decided to cancel the contract, what. Kanti the owner of the trucks already knew Ugogo Bathini Mbatha. He's now looking for trucks. He now wants to cut him off. The same guy that helped you. The same guy that assisted you. One of the conditions when he tells me, Uguti, or on the new deal now that he got, the storage and everything was not included. They will just supply the trucks. He must take care of any other things that are there. The bakkie that will go and do the tire changes, what. Everything is on him. So he looked at the bigger amount of money, not looking at what are the responsibilities that he now has. Where is that deal today? It's gone. It's gone. It is gone. Because that deal on its own, it took time to materialize. At the end of the day, they cancelled the deal. And then they are going to give it to somebody else. What is the lesson? A lesson about this story. Focus. Guys, if you are not a focused individual, you are bound to be selfish. You are bound to think for yourself. You are bound not to think out of the box. You are bound not to realize how did you arrive where you are. How did you get where you are? Focus. Guys, focus is the name of the game. And honesty. Guys, if you are not honest, guys, I've learned it from my own mistakes of not being honest. If you are not being honest, I'm telling you, you are bound to fail in life. You are bound not to achieve anything in life in the midst of you having been paid this healer to do something for you. They've done it. The healer has delivered to you. And you have seen the amounts. Remember, there was a money for diesel and everything that comes for, I don't know what they call it. There's that term that but that money was nothing. Even that money didn't go to where? To the owner of the trucks. Even that money that's how selfish this guy was. So you take this money, you don't give it to the owner, at least let him start the job. Then you'll take it when the new trucks comes. But where these trucks are going to park, where these trucks are going to be serviced if they need service, where these trucks are going to be washed or whatever the truck business works. Guys, be honest. Be honest. And now that the gentleman comes to me, calls me, calls the office. The office told him that I'm not around. I'm in Namibia. He called me on my WhatsApp. And he's a very decent guy. I was even surprised that he had a WhatsApp. So it is not his WhatsApp because his phone doesn't have WhatsApp. That's how he acts to be disciplined. No, social media, this, what, I'm not into those things. Hey, Coco, even you, I got it by default through my wife, blah, 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 blah. Where's the deal now? Gone out of the window. So you saw, there was a document that is written millions. You saw that and you became selfish. Where are those millions today? Gone. What is it that I will do? There's nothing I can do because I cannot change you. There's nothing I can do because I cannot change you. So, guys, if you're going to look for wealth, ask yourself, are you worth it? When are you worth it? Are you the kind of a person that can be trusted? Are you going to deliver as you have promised the muti or the person that you are dealing with? What kind of a person are you? It's up to you guys. It's up to you guys. But there are things that you cannot change. There's no, and trust me here, there's no healer that can help this guy. There isn't. Because I will ask that healer, what muti are you going to do or use to rectify a person who doesn't want to change? What muti is there? It's like I do have imbiza of making people to stop drinking alcohol. But that imbiza will never work if you don't want to stop drinking alcohol. It will never work. The same thing as this. If this guy doesn't want to change, nothing's going to change him. Nothing. Deal is gone. A relationship of the person who has drugs is gone. You see how much he messed up. Even the deal of the guys who are there now giving him the drugs, it's gone. How much has he lost compared to the little that he was going to get consistently every month with 15.5% every month? Every year, sorry. Interest or increase or whatever it's called. Every year. Out of this plus minus close to 200,000 that he was going to get monthly with his brain. How much he was going to use that money on getting other businesses or maybe going back to his credit score and fixing that with that money and everything. Then start buying one truck and everything. If they want more trucks, you know, now you have your own truck. It's up to us, guys. If we are going to go out there and look for help and we get the help and we misuse that help because we think we are smart, sharp, much, Ukraine, count me out. It's okay. And guess what? Nami, I was going to benefit in that deal. Nami. Yes, I was expecting to get something on that deal. I might not tell you how much is it, but Nami, I was looking forward because I know you are going to come back as you have promised, just to say thank you with your talk. No, smaller money, doesn't matter how much is it. I will appreciate it. Nami, you've spoiled the relationship with moi. It's life. I'm not angry. It's life. Sometimes we have to let it go of other things. It's okay. Tozan.